Hello my dear student, I hope you are doing well. Today lecture about revising, editing and proofreading. Let us have a start. After completing the rough draft, you face three important tasks in writing research paper, which they are revising, editing and proofreading. Revising means altering, amending and improving the entire work. So the following questions can help you notice passages in your work that needs revision, which they are: does the thesis statement cover everything in the paper? Have you effectively introduced and conclude your topic? Are the photographs developed and arranged in a coherent sequence? Does any section repeat or contradict sections? Are all borrowed information documented adequately? Does the entire paper read smoothly, with transitions but carry the reader from one idea to the next? Does the paper address the appropriate audience? While editing means preparing the draft for final writing by checking your style, word choice, and the grammar. Read through your revised draft at least once more, paying attention to every detail. Evaluate every sentence and paragraph once again for clarity and coherence. Think about every choice of diction and sentence structure. In addition, look for mechanical errors in spelling and punctuations. These were suggestions for promoting your editing. While proofreading means examining the final typed manuscript to spot any last-minute errors. This is the final chance to find mistakes, particularly typing errors, and correct them. Make corrections as neatly as possible. Careful proofreading will help ensure that the paper you submit does justice to the time, energy, and thought you investigate in its creation. If you have any question, leave it in the comment. Thanks for your time and for your listening. Have a good day.